In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Opera Mini app. So if you can't browse using this app, maybe the app keeps on crashing or it can't open totally, then let me show you how you can fix this problem for once and for all. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, there are quite a number of steps you can take to be able to troubleshoot this Opera Mini app. In the first method, you need to go ahead and access the app information page. And for this, go ahead and look for settings. And then from settings, look for the option called apps. And under apps, look for this option called manage apps. For this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, the process should be more or less the same on your smartphone. So scroll down until you see the Opera Mini browser app on your list. Now, as you can see, mine is here. Here is Opera Mini. I'll go ahead and tap on it. And as you can see, we are on the app information page. Now, if getting to this page is quite tedious or complex for you, let me show you a shortcut method you can use to get here. For that, just go back and then look for your app. And once you find it, go ahead and long press on it. And you'll see this option called App Info. This will take you again to the same app information page. At this point, we want to go ahead and clear the app data. Now, if I go to storage, we are most interested in cache data. When we talk of cache data, we are talking of small files that are normally stored on your app to enhance user experience. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So to solve this problem, go ahead and clear the cache data by tapping on clear data down here, and then choose this clear cache option and then OK. Now, once you do that, restart your smartphone and then go ahead and open your app. At this point, it should now work without any problem. However, if this problem still persists, then take the second method. And for this, you'll need to go ahead and look for the app through Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. So for my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Google Play Store and then search for the app. And here is Opera Mini. And then look for any update if it is available. As you can see, we have an update that is available. Now, one of the reasons why this browser is malfunctional is because it might contain bugs, and also you might need to fix security issues and get the latest version of this app. To get the latest version, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Opera Mini app and then install it on your smartphone. Now, once this has been installed, you'll now have the latest version of the app. You can now proceed from here and open it. And at this point, now your browser should be working fine without any problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.